If you are a content creator and you work with something related to digital media, then you must have come across the term SEO. But what exactly is SEO? And how can it help you boost your content to a wide audience across the world? Let's find out. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will uncover the secrets to skyrocketing your website's traffic and reaching millions of eager users. So stay with us until the end of the video. But before we embark on this adventure, let's debunk a common misconception. SEO isn't just for beginners. Even big businesses stick to the fundamentals and keep things simple. And guess what? It pays off big time. So, what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. In simple words, it is a set of rules or practices which help an individual acquire more organic traffic through search engines like Bing or Google. In order to understand SEO, let's imagine search engines as magical libraries, holding copies of websites and pages. This is where SEO helps your content shine and become the star result in search queries. Now, you might wonder why SEO trumps other marketing mediums. Well, there are three words to explain it: free, consistent, and colossal. Since search traffic is free, there is no need to empty your pockets on ads. Moreover, organic traffic keeps flowing once you rank high. And with 4 billion Google users worldwide, SEO opens doors to global audiences. This happens with the help of Google's crawlers. These crawlers are fearless spiders scouring the web for information. Starting from a list of seeds, they follow hyperlinks, discovering new pages on their endless quest for data. These valuable findings are then added to Google's search index. However, keep in mind that if Google gave you every result containing your search words, it would be a mess. This is where Google's ranking algorithm works. It's a constantly evolving puzzle with hundreds of signals and 500 to 600 yearly tweaks. While Google's algorithm is secretive, they've dropped some clues. So let's cover some essential factors. First of all, we will talk about backlinks. Backlinks are trust links, or credible sources linking to your page. Backlinks from unique sites correlate positively with organic traffic. Next up, we have search intent. It's the language behind queries. For example, Google aims for relevant results by analyzing top-ranking pages and showing the closest results of your search. Lastly, we have content depth. For this, you need to understand that Google cannot read like humans, and depth doesn't always mean length. For example, a short page can be info-rich and solve the query efficiently without having to go through long-length content. Now, if you are looking for a complete guide to creating an SEO strategy, then note down the following checklist. A few factors to keep in mind for this list are traffic potential, business value, intent, and ranking difficulty. So let's begin. Assess business potential based on relevance and sales likelihood, because higher scores mean more value. Match search intent by analyzing top pages and understanding the content type, format, and angle. Analyze ranking difficulty to choose achievable keywords. To generate ideas, start with seed keywords. For example, use a keywords explorer, apply filters, and consider modifiers like best or how to. Analyze competitors and their high traffic pages for missed keywords. Understand intent by analyzing top pages. Identify subtopics and keywords they use. Craft content to satisfy intent and audience needs. Conduct a content gap analysis to find new keywords. Include the target keyword in the title. Optimize HTML tags and ensure readability. Find internal linking opportunities through Google searches or tools like Ahrefs' Site Audit tool. Optimize images with descriptive file names, alt text, and compression for faster loading. Improve readability with short sentences, descriptive subheadings, readable fonts, and a conversational tone. Use Open Graph meta tags and schema markup for on-page optimization. For link building, create relevant backlinks. Avoid buying them and earn them through outreach or becoming a source. Boost your website's speed for better rankings. For this, you can cache your website's content and compress images for faster loading. Stay on top of potential SEO errors through regular website audits. Use Ahrefs' Site Audit tool for analysis and resolution, even with a free Ahrefs Webmaster Tools account. So SEO can be hard sometimes, but don't give up even when you feel like it's a waste of time. All these successful websites use SEO to boost themselves, so it definitely works. Just make sure that you start working on the checklist and trust the process. Once you begin implementing these practices and maintain a healthy site, you will watch your rankings grow and user experience soar. And this is it, guys. We hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. And thank you for watching.